I studied this $2.5 million ARR business and discovered something crazy. This growth tactic 20x their signups in just 1 year. I haven't seen anyone talk about this strategy. I'm going to walk you through step by step on what Eraser's founder did and how you can apply this to your company in a repeatable process. Hi, I'm Omer Drury. I've been building data analytics platforms for 5 years, most recently at Amazon. I've also started a couple of SaaS businesses. And the growth strategy you're going to learn today is an AI sidecar product. So to start, Eraser is a SaaS company that identified a core AI feature that complemented their main product. They created something called Diagram GPT. It's an AI tool that generates diagrams from natural language or code snippets. So what they did was they built a separate brand identity for Diagram GPT. This created some distance between the sidecar product and their main product, which gave them flexibility to experiment boldly without risking their main brand or confusing users. So Eraser launched Diagram GPT quickly to generate user feedback and gather user data. So instead of focusing on signups, they made the CTA Let's Chat. The reason was they wanted to conduct user discovery calls to gather insights to help them refine Diagram GPT and build an API version. So in just 3 months, Diagram GPT generated over 100,000 signups and 30,000 new users for their main product. So that's all from the AI sidecar strategy. So the final step Eraser did was to validate demand for AI features and generate user data with Diagram GPT. So this helped them make more informed decisions about integrating AI into their main product. So to implement this for your business, I'd first gather user data and brainstorm standalone product ideas. The first thing you're going to want to do is download the G2 reviews for your business with the free Chrome extension Extract G2. I'll take you through that right now. First, you're going to go to g2.com. For us, we'll use Octoparse as an example here. You can use the free Chrome extension to scrape those reviews. Now what we're going to do is conduct an AI analysis by copying these reviews and pasting them into ChatGPT or Claude. The AI analysis is going to identify the common pain points the product solves, the features users love the most, and most importantly, it's going to separate out the different customer avatars. So we can copy the reviews, we'll paste them into Claude along with this prompt. Okay, now that we have our AI analysis, we can take that analysis and use it to brainstorm products that would benefit each customer avatar. So for that, you can use this prompt. Now you've got a list of free AI sidecar tools that can drive signups to your SaaS. In our case, we've got Octoparse, so an AI-powered interactive tutorial, a tool that analyzes scraped data, an AI performance optimizer for scraping workflows, a competitor monitoring tool, and an AI language translation tool for scraped content. So with all these free tools, it's a good way to gain customer insights on what AI features would be useful to implement on your core product. I'm Omer Drury. Subscribe to this YouTube channel for daily updates on AI-driven growth strategies so you can grow your SaaS like Eraser did.